Yep.
Can you see the screen? But can you
Yep.
see this? Can you see the
Yep.
screen?
Yep. Yes.
Fine. So I'm going to start it from similarity and congruence. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So internet connection is unstable. Exercise 8A. Fine. This is practice question number 3 set. Okay. Tell me, are these triangles congruent? A.
Yes, we are. We
No,
have the
they're
same angles, and we're not congruent. We're similar. We're similar, not congruent.
yep, they are similar, but they're not congruent. That's good. What
We're
about
not
this one?
congruent.
What about this one? This set?
We're congruent.
Very nice. What about
We're
this one?
congruent.
What
Because
about this one?
S will be 6.
C.
This one, they are not congruent. The 5 centimeters on C is not at the bottom.
Sorry?
And the angles don't add up, so they're not congruent.
Why?
Because 70 plus 60 is 130, and all ends in a triangle up to 180. So N should be 50, and then X should be 70, and we don't have the same angle, so we can't be congruent.
Great. What about this one?
This one,
Yep. Is it congruent?
but I'm not sure about this one.
Why?
We don't have enough information.
Fine. And this is exercise 8. Which shapes are congruent?
Um, H, a rectangle.
H,
B, HB,
H, B,
J, pardon,
J is congruent with?
and B.
Good.
C is congruent with E.
Hmm.
Um, G, never mind. F is congruent with A.
F is congruent with A.
I think that's it. Unless I don't think G is congruent with I.
G is G is congruent with?
And I. Is it? I don't
No.
think so. I just want to
No.
check. Okay, yeah, just checking. I think that's it. B and
No.
J, A and F, and C E.
G with D. G is congruent with D.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that.
And I is congruent with K.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that. Yep.
So you've missed it.
Yes.
What about this
Yep.
one? Question number 2.
What does it want?
This question number 2.
They could be congruent. We don't have any information on the
Here is the
right.
requirement which is supposed to be answered.
Ooh.
Given that PQRST is congruent to VWXYZ, so
Yep.
PQ is equal to VW is equal to how much centimeter?
2 centimeters.
How much?
2 PT is 2 centimeters.
I'm asking start from PQ.
PQ's 3.5.
Fine. PT is equal to 2 centimeter
It's
is equal
two
to,
centimeters. Yep.
so
Two
what
point
is
one centimeters.
QR? QR.
QR. Yep.
What is the value of
I
QR?
don't get that. 3.5.
3.5. And it is congruent with which side?
WX.
WX. So you have this solution, no issue. You have the
Yep.
understanding, clear understanding. Angle PQR is equal to dash is equal to dash
Angle LPQ equals to VWX.
and is equal to
XWZ.
equal to how much degree? Idiot.
Oh, 90. 90 degrees.
You are not feeling well today.
No, not really.
But what happened?
My nose just feels blocked.
Okay, so you are having a nausea.
Yep.
Very bad form of nausea, basically.
Yeah.
Okay. Allah better karega. No worries. Okay. What about the similarity? Uh, Let me go to the exercise directly. Basically, I am testing you today. Okay, tell me the values of this. Y degree, X degree, Z degree.
Wait, are we congruent?
Similarity.
I don't think it's enough information.
It's enough information.
We can't find the LSS.
Sorry?
Not enough information. Is there not enough? I don't think there's enough information.
Instead of saying this word, this is a very good statement that it is not having enough information. What about this statement? Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so
And the virus.
find the value of unknowns in each of the following pairs. So it means that this angle is equivalent to this angle is equivalent to this angle, and this angle is equivalent to
Yep.
this. Yep, yep.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Just before a minute, you were saying that it is not giving, the sufficient information is not given to solve this question.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, so what is the
Yeah,
value of x
90.
and y?
Because it will be similar to the right angle. And
So
AB.
y is equal to
Y equals 35.
35. And what is the value of z?
90 and 30. 55.
55. Very nice. Very good. I have shared the answers with you as well for book
Okay.
number 2, not book 1. Okay, what is the value of x over here?
um 28.
28. And what is the value of y?
um Wait, 20 is 100. 34.
34. Good. 8 and fine. 3, 4, 146 and 34. Good. Okay. So, what about this one?
This one, okay. 5 times. So x would equal 16. X would equal 16.
How you can say
And
that
then
x equal to
3
16? How you can say that x equal to 16?
16. Um,
How you can say that?
hold the LSF. Pardon?
Sorry?
Is it correct?
How you can say that?
Because at the bottom, the LSF is the same for all lines. And you can see it goes to 5 to 8. So if we do 8 divided by 5, that's
Well,
1.6.
very
So we
good,
can tell the
very good,
LSF is
very good.
1.6. And that's the same, yeah. And then you do 3 divided by 1.6 to get y.
Yep, you're right. You're
And
right.
then that's how you get your answer.
So what is the value of y?
And 3 divided by 1.6, I can't tell.
So 3 divided by 1.6 is equal to
1 point something.
you can use the calculator.
Oh, it's 2, never mind. It's 2.
That's 2. Good.
It's 2.
So similarity concept is also good with you. So scale factor 0.75. You are obviously doing this thing exactly. No issue. For similarity and scale around drawings. I have shared these chapters with you, in fact. So you have a sufficient number of questions to practice for the third test on 30th or 31st. Okay?
No?
You
Yeah.
are, you know that we are having a test,
Yeah, I know.
and are you prepared for that?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Fine. Today, are you enjoying?
It's good, it's good.
Okay. 1 millimeter equal to 160 millimeter. Okay. So I'm not gonna ask you these questions because you are supposed to practice it as much as possible. So I'm just rolling it forward. Okay.
Yep.
And where else? Okay. Do you know that thing, this map kind of thing?
Yeah, I understand it. Yep.
You have an understanding?
Yep.
Any issue?
No.
Fine.
Actually, the only issue is when they're like different values.
Likewise.
Yeah, like 3 centimeters in like a kilometer or something.
So it doesn't matter like if it is mentioned over here, for example, scale is 200, let's say it's saying that 200, 1 centimeter represents 3 kilometer. The scale is given over here. So you have to use the scale and you are obviously you have already done that before in the
Okay.
class today's lecture. Just like when you said that 10 divided by
Yeah, I
or
understand.
1.6 or 10 multiplied by 1.6, so that was the basically that was a scale which you were multiplying, and you divided by 3 by 1.6, that was the scale. So you have already done that, but you didn't know that what you were doing. Okay,
Okay.
so no need to worry about that. 300,000. So there in a map there is always a scale because you can't draw 5,000 kilometer on a single page, can
Yep.
you?
No, you can't.
Yes, we can, but not exactly in a way that it is on ground reality. So we have to convert it with some scale that 1000 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter or one
Yep.
box. So we can say that 5000 kilometer can be represented with the 5 boxes or 5 centimeter.
Okay, okay.
Got it? So
Yep.
that is your own choice, whatever. If the scale is not given to you, then you can choose the scale by yourself according to the feasibility, your feasibility.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yep.
An issue? Just like over here, 7.5 kilometer. So 7.5 kilometers should be divided by 1 over 3, multiplied by 1 over 3, or divided by 3, uh, divided by 3 centimeter. Yeah, 1 over 3 centimeter. So you have converted with the multiplying it on cent. For example, 3 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, just like
Yeah.
here. So it means that if you want to convert kilometer, then 1 over 3 centimeter. Yes, over here like this. 1 kilometer is represented by 1 over 3 centimeters. So multiplying 7.5 kilometers, so we can calculate the centimeters for 7.5 kilometer. Okay?
Yep.
No?
That makes sense.
Sorry?
It makes sense.
That makes sense. So this is the thing basically. Okay? So you have to convert it in accordance with the scale given to you, or any appropriate scale of your own choice.
Okay.
Fine. So a map has a scale of 1 centimeter to 5 kilometers. So scale is already given to you. So when you are
Yep.
supposed to, what you need to do, basically you have to look over the values over there. Likewise, the 25 kilometer is given to you in part 2, and in part 1,
Uh,
6.5 centimeters given to you. So what you need to do, that is important thing to understand. Okay, I'm not gonna use the annotation. I'm going to show it to you with the help of this thing. Likewise, one, what is the scale? What is the scale? Was just wait a minute. Oh yeah, 1 centimeter equal to 5 kilometer. Okay, this is the scale.
okay.
Fine. Now, 1 centimeter represents 5 kilometers. So I have to get back to the centimeter and kilometers, both. So I will use 1 centimeter equals 3 kilometer. So if I want to convert it in the 1 kilometer, then I'll have to divide 1 by 5 or 3.
Yep.
Am I right or wrong?
You're right.
Oh, and if I have to convert the 3 kilometer into centimeter, then I'll have to get the value of 1 kilometer. So
Okay.
what is the scale over there? 1 centimeter equal to 5 kilometer.
Uh,
Yep, over
yeah.
here. So 6.5 centimeter is equal to 6.5 multiplied by 5 kilometer.
You have to convert them to the same, right?
Yep, that would be the actual length.
So they get that would be 500,000. So you do 500,000 times 6.5.
500,000. Why are you multiplying 500,000 with 6.5?
Well, because 1 kilometer equals 100,000 centimeters.
But we are not supposed to go for it because it is asking the actual length. And according to 1
Okay.
centimeter of the map, it is showing 5 kilometers. So the actual length will be multiplied with 5 kilometer into 6.5 centimeter. So that will give
Okay.
you the actual length. You don't need to go for conversion in meters, or conversion
Okay.
in, you can say that furthermore centimeters. Okay.
Yes.
So you don't need to go for the further conversion because it is not asked. It is not demanded over here. And when you have given the 25 kilometers, so what will we do? 1 over 5 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer, and then 25 kilometer equal to 5 divided 25 over 5 centimeter.
Okay.
So that would be that conversion. But you
So it'll
don't
be
need to
five. Yeah.
but you don't need to convert it in further small denomination. Okay?
Yeah.
It is asking over here, express the scale of the map in the form where n is an integer. So 1 over 5 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. Simply.
Okay.
Any confusion over here?
Nope.
Great. So I'm moving on with this chapter, and this whole exercise is available to you So if I'm not wrong, or if you are confident enough that you can solve these questions by yourself, if can you do that?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. Very nice. So I am moving on to the next chapter, which is mensuration. Do you know the meaning of mensuration? When we have to calculate area, square, and perimeter, volume, these are the things appear in the mensuration. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
type triangle pyramid, you have to calculate this volume. Volume of prism. Formulas are given over here. Okay.
Yep.
Formulas are given over here. So you have to memorize these formulas if you don't remember it.
Yeah.
And if you remember these formulas, then you have to use it in accordance with the question or values given in these questions. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Then I'll be base area. Do you remember the volume of formula of, do you understand this formula? Area of cross
Yeah.
section.
I understand. Yeah, I understand that.
Okay, fine. Now or you understood it already?
I've already done this in school, so.
Okay. So are you good in it?
Yep.
Fine. That's great. That's great. Your father was worried about it basically, that you have to appear in your test. So that's why I'm having a test session today. I'm just testing you and nothing else.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is book 2, chapter number 12. A pyramid has a rectangular base of side 16 meter by 14 meter. Given that the volume of the pyramid is 700 meter cube, find its height and total surface area.
So that is a third times 60 times 14. So we do 60 times 14.
What is the formula, by the way?
I think it's a third times the base times the cross
1 by
section.
3, I
Or is
think
it
so.
height? No, it's height.
If I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
uh, what is the formula of, yep, over here? 1
Yeah,
over
that's it.
3
Yeah.
multiplied by base area multiplied by height.
Not by height.
By height. So we don't know the height. We have two sides available.
Yeah. So you do.
Where's the over here? So over here. So what is the formula? What is the answer of height?
So you do 60 times 14, which is 214. Wait, is it
Which question are we doing, by the way?
214? The height one. This one advanced. Oh, if you go up,
Yep.
up
We
more
are
up.
not. We are not doing 14.
I know this one, 13. No, yeah, 12.
12.
So you do 14 times 16, which is 214. And when you get 214, you times it by a third. Yeah, fix. Wait, is it 60 times? Wait, what's 60 times 50?
Sorry. What is the height?
So you do 60 times 14, which is 254. When you do 224 divided by a third,
100 multiplied by 3 and divided by 14. 14?
so you
Where?
do a third times 224.
Okay,
When you
14
do,
divided by 16.
the height is 9.375.
Very nice. Very good.
When the total surface area, you already got 60 times 14,
Yes.
which is 224.
16
And
times
then,
14.
so
224.
when,
Surface area is 24. 224. Good.
yeah, and when
So
you,
Okay,
Well, it says total surface area.
let me
So we're
wrap it
talking.
up quickly. Let me wrap it up quickly.
Wait, I have a
So
question.
yeah,
With it's 224, right? What is the pyramid counters to? Could you explain what surface area is like properly? Surface area.
sorry.
Surface area.
Surface area. Surface area means the area which is touching on which is touching the ground.
Okay, that's it. Okay, that's all I need to know.
Okay,
Yeah.
the area of the shape which is touching the ground only. Okay, so that is the
Yes.
surface area. That will be a surface area.
Okay.
I think so. I'm recording this section. Yeah, I'm recording this session. That's great. Is the recording in progress? Yep, recording is in progress. Fine. Okay. Volume and surface area of cones. We have one more thing to do. Do you know that how to solve the quadratic equation?
We're doing that right now. Yes, I think I know it. Yeah, I do know it. I do know it.
Okay, you know it. You know the three methods of
Yes.
solving quadratic equations? Three different methods. That is a quadratic formula. Do you know the quadratic formula?
Quadratic. Wait, can you show me the?
Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a.
I don't know that. We haven't done this yet.
You don't know the quadratic formula.
Yeah, we haven't done it yet. What we're doing right now is y equals ax plus bx plus c. I think that's the formula.
Okay,
So we're doing that.
just let me share with you quadratic formula.
And
Okay.
we're doing completed square.
Okay. Do you know the how to do the completing square?
Yeah, I do. I do.
Okay, fine. Tell me, do you need to learn it from me? Anything about it?
No, I don't think so. Just maybe practice
Okay,
questions.
okay. I'll be sharing with you the questions of uh, that relevant topic, and when if you will have any kind of issue during the practice, you ask me. Okay,
Okay.
and rather than waiting for the time. Okay, X is unknown. Copy image. Okay. Mhm. Here is the quadratic formula. Okay,
Yeah.
just look at your WhatsApp.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is it. This is it.
This is it. So, do you know this formula?
Not yet. I think we're doing it in a bit, but
Okay, fine.
I think we're doing.
Just try to understand this thing. That the
Okay.
constant which is with x square value, x square variable will be the value of a. The value or constant which will be having variable x with value power 1 would be the value of b, and the constant without any variable will become the value of c. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to convert the whole equation in this format first, and then you have to implement this formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a.
Okay.
Like, okay,
Yeah.
this you can say that this may be the easiest way, but this is not the only way.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so when you are supposed to go for the completing square method, so I don't think that today is the best time for doing that method because you have already a lot of stuff available for practice. Okay,
Yeah.
so you should practice that stuff first today, and we will be doing the rest of the two things, likewise quadratic equations formulas,
Yep.
likewise completing square method, as well as the uh,
Yep.
other method like factorization. So are you familiar with the method of factorization?
Yep.
No?
Okay, I understand.
Do you understand that part as well?
I understand.
Okay, do you need me to share the questions, or you have
Yes, please.
sufficient, you have to sufficient questions, you have sufficient questions
Can you send me
available?
the question?
Do you need me to share?
Yes, please.
Okay, fine. I'll be sharing with you. But not today, tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay? Or anytime I'll find the questions and I'll be sharing it
Okay.
with you on your number. Okay, that's fine with you?
Okay.
Okay. Then it means that we are doing good for today, or and you
Yep.
have sufficient questions available?
Yes.
Fine. If you want to practice, start doing practice from just after the session. So I won't continue this session after when this it will be off after 40, after 4 minutes. Okay, so that you should practice it by yourself. And if you have any issue, just let me know.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Are you feeling comfortable? Are you comfortable with this practice of today?
Yep.
नींद तो नहीं आ रही ना? बोर तो नहीं हो रहे?
Oh,
Hmm?
I just don't feel well. I understand.
So, aren't you getting
So,
bored today? I'm asking.
yeah. Yep. Kinda.
Kind of getting bored? What? Are you getting bored?
Hello, can you hear me? And then my internet. I'm just accidentally just.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. But I'm asking either, are you getting bored?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, fine. That's what I'm asking basically. So, you have sufficient questions available to you, and if you have any issue, any problem, you may ask me anytime.
Okay. Am I
Fine.
gonna do quadratic questions? Yep. I'm gonna do quadratic questions.
Quadratic equation, we will complete it on day after tomorrow, because the rest of the questions you will have, you will be practicing those questions, and I'll be sharing with you the questions of completing square as well as the factorization part.
Yep.
Oh, and then I'll tell you how to use, how to do the factorization and completing square. That will be tested on day after tomorrow.
Yep.
Rest of the things are already available to you. Already I have shared the questions and chapters. So you may be practicing these things from these questions. And if you want to check the answers of book 2, so you have the answers of every chapter and every exercise, every even practice exercise.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Are you fine with it?
I'm fine.
Fine. खाना खा लिया? Have you done your dinner?
Me?
Yes.
No, haven't.
Okay, then go and have some dinner first, and then after that start studying, or
Okay.
anytime you want to study.
Alright.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
What happens?
Allah Hafiz.